Hi everyone, it's Eleanor Jador here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have each and every single one of you here today. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing a natural hair subscription box. And in particular, we'll be talking about the TreasureTress subscription box. But before we get into it, this channel is all about natural hair and beauty. So if that sounds like you, please go ahead and subscribe and make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you stay informed of all my videos. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's just talk in general first. What is a natural hair subscription box? Well, basically it's a box full of natural hair products that you subscribe to every month, and you pay a monthly fee for it, and in return every month you get different natural hair products. So as mentioned, the box that I'm going to be talking about today is the TreasureTress natural hair subscription box. I was first introduced to it I'd say in the middle of last year. They contacted me and asked me if I would like to receive one of their boxes and review it. So of course I jumped right on it, because before I had heard of natural hair subscription boxes before, but to be honest, I wasn't sure if I actually wanted to make that monthly commitment of paying for it every single month. And you know, what if I receive products that I don't like necessarily? But anyway, so I jumped on it. I said, yes, let me give it a try. And ever since July or August last year, I've received a few of their boxes and I have actually been super impressed with them so far, and that's why I decided to make the video today. So just so that you guys know, this video isn't sponsored or anything. It's just over time now I've started to really like and to enjoy the concept of it, and that's why I decided to make this video today. So right now we are going to unbox the February box together. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. When you open a box, you lay it down flat. It says packed with love. I have to say this box is quite heavy, so I'm gonna open it up. Basically every month that you receive the box, there is like a flyer on. It says it's a takeover, self-love, the best love. And what they mean by takeover is that one brand has sponsored all the hair products in this box this particular month. So it's not a collection of different brands, it's actually just one brand. So you're gonna get a collection of goodies from, yeah, just one brand. So on the back of this card it says, hey queen, it's a takeover, happy Valentine's Day sis. It's February already, and after what seemed like the longest January ever, it's officially the month of love. Okay, so there's a whole long Valentine's Day message. And then, I'm not going to tell you what it says on the card about the products just yet, but there's a little promotional card for a homeware store in here as well. Then we're going to open up this box. Oh, and just to let you know guys, I have opened this box and I do know which products are in here already, but for the sake of all of you, I'm basically doing this unboxing. And the products are always beautifully wrapped in gold tissue paper. And are you guys ready? Bum-ba-da-da! We have a box full of Twisted Sista products. Yay! So personally, I've never used any Twisted Sista products before, so I was quite excited to see all of these products in here. And the beauty of this month is that the box actually contains 6 full-size products. Most of the times that I've received the box, it's contained 5 full-size products, but this month there are 6, guys, 6. So let's just go through all the products together quickly. Okay, so I'm actually going to put the box down now because it's getting quite heavy. So first we have Twisted Sista Luxurious Clarifying Shampoo with coconut, avocado and almond oils. It cleanses, hydrates and nourishes. So there's a shampoo in here. Then we have an intensive leave-in conditioner with coconut, avocado and almond oils. This is really nice. Hydrates, detangles and blocks frizz for all kinds of curls and textures. And that's something that I saw it says on all the products. It's for all kinds of curls and textures, which is very nice. So then we have a curl activator cream with coconut, avocado and almond oils. Again, it says it defines curls, controls frizz and it adds shine. Then we have a curl perfection cream gel. Hang on, it's not the same. Okay, no, the first one is a curl activate cream, and then there's a curl perfection cream gel. Okay, so the cream gel is for moisture and hold and shine, and it's the perfect style cocktail in one. Okay, so it's a combination of cream and a gel all in one. Very nice. Yeah, a curl defining cream gel uniquely formulated to give the controlled definition of a gel with a soft, subtle conditioning of cream. maintaining movement, touchability and shine. And then we also have an amazing Dream Curl Gel, again with coconut, avocado and almond oils. So it elongates curls, it's got a strong hold and it eliminates frizz. So that's the 5th product. Lastly, we have the Twisted Sister Nourishing Sleek Edge Gel, which gives a sleek hold and a luminous shine. Okay guys, so I'm actually really impressed. 6 full-size natural hair products. Now, of course, you want to know how much this costs. So it's £20 per month. And personally, I think that is a very, very good deal because good natural hair products, I mean, 2 products can easily get you to £20. So 6 products for £20 I think is absolutely brilliant. I do think that's definite value for money. So from that sense, I think the natural hair subscription box concept is a very good idea. And then what I love about the TreasureTress subscription box is that on the back of this leaflet, they actually tell you all the products that you get in there, and it gives you a bit of description and how you can use the products. So for example, I'll just do 1 or 2. When it comes to the intensive leave-in conditioner, it actually says that this product is a great detangler and its intensive formula makes for a great deep conditioner. I find that quite interesting because I did have a look at the instructions on the leave-in conditioner bottle and it doesn't actually say that there, so I'm definitely going to be trying that out. If you wanted to buy these products individually, I will actually try and price them up for you and leave it down below so that you can know what all of these products would cost if you were to purchase them individually. But in the box it's going to cost you £20, and I do have a discount code for you guys. If you do want to take advantage of it, you get 10% off your first purchase over at TreasureTress. My discount code is EleanorJador10. I will leave it down here as well, or somewhere on the screen, and I'll put it down below in the description box as well, along with a few other discount codes, because you know it's always good to save some money where we can. So take advantage of them, guys. I think all of them are natural hair related. Yeah, let's save some money where we can. Okay guys, so that is it. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you found this video useful. Have you used a subscription box before? Has one ever been sent to you? What do you think of them? What do you think about the concept? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I am on Instagram as Eleanor Jador, and I would love it if you would follow me over there so that we can continue the natural hair and beauty chat. Thanks so much again for watching this entire video. I really appreciate it, guys. I really love you so much for watching this entire video. Until the next one, bye!